Hi, I'm going to show how to check AirArabia flight status with ticket in PC. And here you can see a ticket and I will use the flight number to check the status. Now moving to AirArabia, and from manage, I'm going to click check flight status. And here you can also check a status with flight route, which I will show you later. So the flight number is Z9519 on the ticket, and it's Dhaka in Bangladesh to Sharjah in UAE, and the flight is on 16th December. Now typing the flight number as Z9519 and check status. Okay, here you can see all the information and the flight is confirmed. Okay, now the second part, you can also search it through the flight route. Now date, flying from, and destination. Check status. Now the last one is the info we need, and all matches with the ticket info. Okay, and this is how we can check flight status of AirArabia easily with flight number and flight route. Until now this can only be checked with PC. Okay, and by this way you can check the flight status just by using your PC at home. Hope you really found this video useful, and please subscribe to Joseph IT and share our videos. Goodbye.